Welcome to Whiteboard Entrepreneur, and today I'll be sharing with you exactly what a bounce rate means. Well, it surely is one of the digital marketing metrics that every marketer measures. However, after measuring it, the majority of us will neglect the findings. By definition, it's basically a metric that shows the percentage of people who leave the web page they landed on without browsing any further on the website, or simply they just enter the domain with www and forget to see your site. It is true, a healthy bounce rate is somewhere around 20 to 70%. The bounce rate above 70% is undesirable and you seriously need to address some issues on your site then. It is also true that bounce rates are frequently higher for blogs and for specific landing pages. These two truths make the most marketers disinterested in looking for answers to what causes the bounce rate on their website. When was the last time you made changes on your website because of the bounce rate? Well, we'll be discussing effects it has on your website's SEO. Be sure to subscribe to get notified once the video is published. With that, goodbye and see you in the next video.